All right, now that I have my text object on the screen, my goal is next to make it so that it's centered in the user interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just zoom all the way out. Might need to use the hand tools a little bit here, so that until I see this entire white outline. And so this is the screen, the user interface here, the outline of the user interface. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to select this game object and use the rect tool, and then I can just move this around, and I want to get it centered all the way at the top. It has some lines here that helps you, and so you can do this. And so now that score should be centered all the way centered at the top of the user's UI. So let's check in the game view, and yep, we see that it's right here, and you can move it down a little bit if you don't want it immediately at the top. And then you can kind of play around where you want the placement to be. If you want to increase the size, you can do that in the inspector window. But from there, that is how you get the text object, this text game object centered on the user interface.